Don't know what to say. I literally forgot that it is the 5-year anniversary of my brand. I'm in a rush. I had considered doing a screen recording so that you could see me set up my 3-color print job, but I already dropped the video, so you've seen what I do. So I'm not going to record it, but I am about to go ahead and set this up real quick. And I'm going to do this with an underbase. And I just watched a video about choking the white underbase. I'm very unfamiliar with what that means, but apparently it makes my print better. I'll look more into it later. I don't want to lie to y'all and act like I know what it means. I didn't research it that deep. But let me go ahead and get to work here. So to make this easier for myself, put multiple registration marks at the top and the bottom of my artwork. I'm a little nervous though, because this artwork has very fine details, and I don't know if I want to do a high mesh count so I could just do wet on wet printing. I'm possibly going to have to ask someone who's more experienced. I'm probably going to go to one of these Facebook groups and ask somebody. So we're at a new day. And prior, I mentioned that I didn't really understand what choking the underbase is for. I got a better understanding. You do that so when you have your top layer colors, there's no white that makes a border. So it looks better. Hopefully, I choked my underbase right. I don't really know. I know I'm supposed to add like 1.5 of a stroke and all of that. Had problems with it, didn't record it. Also didn't record me setting these screens up. But in the meantime, I got to clean off these boards. They've got my last project still on here. And one thing that I love about this water-based adhesive, all I have to do is clean the boards. I don't have to put anything else on it. It's good. It's still a little sticky from the last job. I just got to clean it off. So I'm going to do that. Last prepping on my screens. The only screen that I didn't get a chance to prep yet. Screens are prepped, technically. Let me get my colors. And for the underbase, we got white. I am planning to do a wet on wet print. I've never done that, which I got to use higher mesh count. That's why you see the yellow versus like this one. You can't see any yellow on it. So my fear is that I'm not going to do it properly. So we're going to do some tests here first. My underbase is on a regular 160 mesh. I'm going to flash that. Then my yellow, red, and blue, I'm just gonna try a wet on wet. We'll see how this comes out. Wish me luck. End result is I didn't choke my art good enough, because you still get a little bit of white under here even after all of that micro registration. The yellow came out good. It's just my blue and my red. Yeah, I just needed to choke it a little more. Even more fun, I just looked and realized that my daughter turned my heat off of my conveyor dryer. Kids, gotta love them, right? But I'm gonna give this one more test, and I'm gonna do it as if I'm in production, because I gotta see how this wet on wet works. Test like it's the real thing. And I'm hoping that is because this isn't actual fabric. That wouldn't make sense though. Something's not right. I got too much red coming up on this wet on wet process. All that red just completely lifted up.